How to fix unable to activate Windows Defender Firewall in Windows 10. Here are some methods that allow you to fix unable to activate Windows Defender Firewall in Windows 10. Method 1. Disable third-party antivirus software as admin. Method 2. Restart Windows Defender Firewall service. Method 3. Register. Tweak. H/current control set/services/BFE. Note that you'd need to add everyone to the permissions with the full control access. Method 4. Enable Windows Defender. Registry editor at hkey_local_machine/system/current control set/services/winfend. Change the value to 2 for the start keyword. Method 5. Reset Windows Defender. Firewall settings. Method 6. Forcibly reset Windows Firewall using command prompt, admin mode. Command, netshare firewall setup mode equals enable exceptions equals enable. Method 7. The latest Windows updates. Method 8. Uninstall. Latest Windows security updates. Method 9. Update Windows Defender. Run 2 commands. Admin, %program files %\Windows Defender \pmdren.exe remove definitions all %program files %\Windows Defender \pmdren.exe signature update method 10, set correct date and time.